Eager to monetize your pedicure? Tune into today's episode to find out how to turn those feet pics into cash fast. Hey foot enthusiasts, and welcome to your guide to selling pics on FeetFinder.com. Whether you're just wanting to make a little extra cash or dive full time, this is what we're here to talk about today. So let's get started. Starting is simple. Registering on FeetFinder.com is easy, but the golden key is verification. This stage is crucial because it establishes your credibility. So take a selfie, get your ID ready, and we can breeze through this process. It is essential to building your trust in the marketplace. Now that you're set up, let's get creative with some classic feet poses. Showcase simple shots like clean soles or polished toes, always popular and great for starting out. Seasonal settings like your feet in the sand in the summer, or maybe cozied up in the socks for winter time. Enhance your photos by using props like toe rings, or if you're feeling crazy, get some backdrops and add those in there. Experiment with different angles to add to the curves and the depth of your feet, to just add something extra in there and really play with the picture. Your images will remain blurred until someone actually buys them, protecting your artistic work from random people just seeing them. Keep your uploads vibrant and diverse to kind of set yourself apart from everyone else on FeetFinder and to keep customers coming back for more. FeetFinder isn't just about posting pictures, it's about engaging with an actual community of like-minded people that are there for the same things that you're there for. You can decide who messages you, see your custom requests, and interact with who you choose to. So transparency with your audience can go a really long way. FeetFinder has your back with reliable and safe payment systems, so don't worry about that part. Whether you're in the US or anywhere in the globe, they're making sure that you are getting 80% of your profit and that it is coming across to you safely and effectively. Here we want you to know that your profits are always as protected as your product. Expand your reach with the FeetFinder referral program. Share your unique link, and when new sellers join through it, you'll actually make some of that profit as well. This isn't just about success, it's about growing together. That is a wrap on our FeetFinder tutorial for beginners, and that is from getting set up to verification to even figuring out what kind of pictures you might want to post first. And you have all the tools to successfully be in the foot market. Explore the platform, join the community, and start your journey to becoming a feet pic seller. Catch you on the next tutorial. Keep snapping and keep selling.